school name is GUPS Putupudi. Respected teachers, parents, and my dear friends, every year we celebrate Independence Day on 15 August. On this day in 1947, India became independent from British rule. We remember this day with great pride and respect. Our freedom was not achieved easily. Many Indians sacrificed their lives for our country. Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmibai, Sardar Patel, and many other great heroes for Indian freedom. Independence Day is not only a day to celebrate, it is also a day to remember our responsibility. As a student, we should study sincerely, respect our parents and teachers, help others, keep our